Welcome to the community camp. Yep, it's community camp time again. I'm only doing the Saturday night. It's been a while, I know, but I've been busy, if you've not noticed, doing videos and also going places and doing videos, so to speak. Anyway, here's my little campsite or camp setup, so to speak. What do you reckon then? That bit's a bit exposed, but when that drops, I think I'll be all right. And it's not due to rain tonight, but I can always adjust that if need be. Something can happen if I need to. But to be fair, happy days. There we are. And I've even, if I need them later, got my seats there. Epic. I'm going to go and see people. That's what I've got to do. Because I haven't seen the people. If that means anything. But there's new people there anyway. So I'm going to meet some new people. Yeah. Yeah. Don't get any ideas. Or do. One of the guys suggested, and he's right, just why not, just in case it does rain, it's not predicted, just to pull the guy line. And I doubled it there. Over, so we've got this overhang here. It's probably unlikely, in fact I'd be very surprised if there is rain that will cause an issue. In fact I know it won't, because remember that's going to drop anyway, so it's probably very unlikely. And I'm probably going to be in the middle. Well, I will be in the middle anyway, so if you look here, yeah, there's going to be no rain getting in that. I'll be very surprised. And if there is, then you can shock me. But to be fair, the wind's coming from this direction. Yeah, that's going to be all right. Yeah, be okay. You can have a picture of a bun. Hey, here we go, look. Making bread, and we're going to try them out in the Dutch oven, so traditional way, and folding it over. Do you need delicate hands for this or not?
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not. There we go. So I think we're trying it with a bit of, I think, is this parchment paper or damp parchment paper. So the idea, apparently there's three ways of doing it. You can put it straight on the bottom of the Dutch oven, and that's if you want a crispy bottom of it. And you could put it on the trivet, or this is another method. So the parchment's another idea. So we'll see how it goes. All right. Yeah, you can smell it, can't you? You can smell it. Bread bakery smell. That's spot on, in it, because it's elasticated.
You can get longer. Get really stretched.
Yeah, it looks ideal, that does, doesn't it? Is that the gluten that's making it do that sort of stretch, sort of thing?
Yeah, you're just stretching.
You're stretching the gluten.
Yeah. When we were kids, when it got to like this, we'd just eat this like this.
Here you go.
You're not supposed to, it's not good for you.
Well, life's not good for you. Yeah, you can tell it's doughy bread. Look at that then. Absolutely cracking. Fantastic, Andy. Admin work cleaning it. Is this the best way then? And they put a bit of the other ways to do it with wire wool apparently, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just a bit quicker.
How often do you have to do that then?
Depends how long you leave your pots neglected for.
Okay.
These were loaned to Nick
Yeah.
on the pretense that we could use them as long as we cleaned them up. So that's what we're doing.
That one just need wire wooling back then.
Yeah.
We've got, it's just steel wool brush, is that all we got? Or we actually got some wire wool?
No, just the steel brushes.
Right. So it's the busiest I've ever seen this particular community camp. There's loads of people come, loads of new people, and some people have actually come all the way from Stockport. I've just met them a minute ago. One person couldn't find the place and went past in the car about 3 or 4 times, spent 2 hours finding it, but he found it in the end. Well, it just shows you in the middle of, well, not in the middle of nowhere, but it's just nice. It's nice and quiet. And where my spot's lovely and quiet anyway, it's just out the way. So that's lovely and quiet. Near my camp. Oh. The resin on that. Oh, birch bark. Cracking stuff. Andy. Right. Going for a walk. There are some cracking bits of fat wood there. Oh yes, that should be good. Well, the bush shelter is still here. I still think that's a cracking place. Excellent place. Some rope still there. I still think you could have a good kip here along this bit. Love it. Check that out. Yep. Ready. Absolutely starving. What is it? Chicken. And then we've got like a veg stew. Yep. Epic. Well, welcome to the beer tree. Welcome to the beer tree, indeed. Well, I've been at a beer tree for a while, as I've been at a community camp for a while, or a camp where I could do a beer tree. Anyway, this is the beer tree for the night. This is the Matt beer tree. Why I'm calling it the Matt beer tree, or the Matt Slope beer tree, is because I came in and there was a Matt here. So it's the Matt Slope beer tree. That's what it is today. Oh, you my old friend. The Matt Slope beer tree. Yes. So I'm on the map. On the map. Oh yes. You don't know about that? I'm on the map. So what we got? An Alpha Abbey, something like that. Then we've got a Ros Mandingo. Now I know a YouTube channel that says Mandingo a lot. There's to them. Okay. Then what we got? Moor, as M-O-O-R, and that's a dark mild. Then we got Riguella, black sheep. Black sheep as in black sheep of the family? I don't know, it's a black sheep. Okay. Then we got the Manner of Things. And we've got Hazy Nights. Hazy Nights. Yeah, hazy nights. Well, if it's a hazy night, I think I'm going to have hazy night. Is it a sipper Or is it a slurper? Let's wait and see. Now then, Matt. It's hard to tell. Bit neutral, this one. Neutral, as you say. Bit neutral. Neutral. Pardon me. That's a sipper.